I just think like, you know, a larger eye would like bring out your features, because, you know, usually people like notice the eyes first. And and then I think sometimes, like, you know, if you have a more like enhanced eye, it will be more easier for you to apply makeup as well. So you have something there, you don't have to work, like do something different just so that you can look that way. Like, yeah, because then because my eyes is a little uneven, so that's why like I have to like put more liner on this side rather than the other side. And like I think I have very puffy eyes, and like I don't have a very obvious like crease in it or anything. I understand that different people like has different techniques for them. Well, I do have a wedding that is in 2 months later, near the end. Be hoping that I'll be looking great for that wedding. This double eyelid is mainly for myself. It's definitely not for anyone else. Like, this is your appearance, you know. Like, even when I told my boyfriend, it's like, "Are you doing this for me?" I'm like, "No, it's for myself." Because, you know, when it's confidence, right? Confidence is for yourself. It's not for anybody else. Yeah, and I totally lack in confidence, so yeah.
So the two main options for creating a crease in your eyelids would be an incisional technique or a suture technique. The incisional means that we make a small incision along the entire crease that we're going to form for you. Now the other option for, you know, creating a crease in your lid is to use a suture technique. So rather than making an incision across the eyelid, what I do is identify the points at which the best crease would form for you. And we've looked at your lids before, and I think at about 8 millimeters is where you like the crease to form. So what we do is we actually take the skin from the outside and the layers underneath, and we actually pinch them together from the inside with a stitch. I think in your case, because of the thickness of the lid, although that's very healthy and normal, it probably would necessitate that you have an incisional technique where I can actually take some of that tissue away and thin your eye a little bit so that you will actually get a crease. So hi Tiffany, how was your week?
That was great.
Yeah, you're not too swollen actually. It looks pretty reasonable today.
It's healing much faster than I thought it would.
Oh, good.
So.
Now, did you have any difficulties this week in particular?
Nope, not really. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do today is actually take these stitches out. You'll be really glad because they get itchy and annoying.
Yes. Does it hurt to have the stitches removed?
Not usually. You'll feel a couple little pricks every once in a while when I tug on the stitch, but not very much.
All right. My incision looks raised and bumpy right now. Is that normal?
It's totally normal, and that's going to settle down over a period of 3 or 4 months. We have to put stitches along a couple different points to close the eyelid skin together, and you get a small lump at each of those. Okay. And that's completely normal and will go away.
When do you think my incision scar will fade?
You know, it probably takes about a year in total, but
Okay.
you'll find that it'll be easy to camouflage within the next 4 or 5 weeks.
Okay. I noticed that my lashes are showing more now. Is that usual?
It is actually, because when we form that crease, what happens is it actually pulls your lashes and rotates them. And so many people find that they see their eyelashes more after the surgery, which I think is actually a plus.
Yeah, definitely.
How do I feel about my eyes? Well, you know, the first few days it was kind of like, it wasn't very comfortable. Like when I laugh or sneeze or whatever, it kind of just irritated me a little bit. And other than that, like everything was fine. Was there anything I was surprised about? Well, I guess it was healing quite well. Like I expected it to be kind of not as fast, but I guess I'm healing quite fast on this one. The bruising is still have a little bit of bruising, but and then like it was gone in like no time. But For swelling, I feel that I'm still a little bit swelling for my eyes, but I believe that, you know, it's going away quite fast. My boyfriend thinks it's pretty cute, and my friends can't wait to see the results. Yeah, I think everybody's just really excited about the results, like the actual done healing part. I'm starting to feel a little confidence about myself, and you know, I feel good. I haven't got the full result yet, but like I can feel it's coming out quite well. I can't wait to put makeup on and you know, just see the world.